Meaning of daisy wheel. Daisy wheel. Daisy wheel.
Daisy wheel. Daisy wheel. The term daisy wheel refers to a printing mechanism that was commonly used in typewriters and early computers. It consists of a circular plate with raised letters or characters on its pedals, which rotate and then strike an ink ribbon against a piece of paper to make a print. The result is a high-quality, precise print with clean edges and accurate spacing, making it ideal for producing professional-looking documents. Despite its many advantages, the daisy wheel was eventually phased out as newer printing technologies like laser and inkjet printers became more popular.